Hello.
My name's Karen. What's your name?
My name is Philon.
Thank you. Very good. Okay. Now, please look at this picture. Okay. Everyone is at the beach. Here is the dog. Can you please tell me, where's the horse? Yes. Good job. Thank you. Very good. Where are the birds? Yeah, excellent. Thank you. Okay. Thank you very much. Now, look at these. Which one is the flag? Yes, thank you. Good job. Okay, very good. Okay, I'm putting the flag under the tree. Now you put the flag on the boat. Yes, good job. Thank you. Alrighty, okay. Now I want to ask you, which one is the sock? Yes, thank you very much. Okay. Please put the sock next to the horse. Yes, good job. Thank you very much. Okay. Which one is the flower? Yes, very good. Okay. Now, please put the flower between two girls. Yes, excellent. Thank you very much. Okay. Now, I want to ask you, what's this?
It's a boat.
Yes, what color is it?
It's red.
Yes, very good. How many boats are there?
There are one boat.
Yes, okay. And what is the boy wearing?
The boy wearing green t-shirt and white pants.
Yes, excellent. Very good. Okay. Can you please tell me about the tree?
The tree has bird on it.
Yes, excellent. Thank you. Good. Thank you, Philon. Okay, very good. Now I want to ask you, what's this?
That is a skirt.
Yes, thank you. Do you often wear a skirt at school?
No.
Yeah, no. What do you wear at school?
I wear school uniform.
Yes, thank you very much. Okay. What's this?
This is a French fry.
Yes. Do you like French fries?
Yes.
Oh, me too. Okay. What do you often have for dinner?
I have dinner, fish and rice.
You do? Oh, good. Me too. Okay. I want to ask you, what's this?
This is a hat.
Yes, it is. Do you have a hat?
Yes.
Okay. What color of hat do you like?
Blue.
Oh, nice. Very good. Okay. Philon, I want to ask you, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Excellent. Very good. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing white t-shirt and white and black shorts.
Yes, you are. Yeah. And yeah, very good. That's excellent. Thank you very much. And I want to ask you, what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English and math.
Cool. Thank you very much. Good job. Give me 5. Yeah. Excellent. Thank you very much. Goodbye.